ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ്. ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് +1കാർക്കുള്ള മാത്തമാറ്റിക്സ് ആണ് എടുക്കുന്നത്. +1 മാത്തമാറ്റിക്സിലെ പാർട്ട് 1 ആയിട്ട് ട്രിഗണോമെട്രി നമുക്കിത് പഠിക്കാം. ഞാൻ ഇതിനു മുമ്പ് +1കാർക്ക് മാത്തമാറ്റിക്സ് പഠിപ്പിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ വീഡിയോ ചാനലിൽ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് എടുക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ എല്ലാവരും കാണുക, അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളൊക്കെ പറയുക. ഓക്കെ, നമുക്ക് തുടങ്ങാം. പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യാം. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: കൺവേർട്ട് ദ ഡിഗ്രി മെഷേഴ്സ് ടു റേഡിയൻ. ഡിഗ്രി മെഷേഴ്സിനെ റേഡിയൻ മെഷർ ആക്കി മാറ്റണം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ 25 ഡിഗ്രി. To convert a degree into radian, you multiply by pi by 180. To convert degree to radian, multiply by pi by 180 is equal to 25 into pi by 180 is equal to, cancel here, 5 pi by 36 ready. Okay, next question. -47 degree 30 minutes. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, -47 degree 30 minutes we can write as equal to -47.5 degree, because 60 minutes equal to 1 degree, here 30 minutes, so half degree, so we can write -47.5 degree. Now, as the previous problem, -47.5 into pi by 180, change this mixed fraction. 47 into 2, 94 plus 1, -95/2 into pi by 180, cancel, cancelling by 5, we get 19, here 36. Okay, now we multiply 19 pi by 72 radian. Okay, അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചെയ്യാം. Convert the following radian measure to degree measure. Radian measure to degree measure, we multiply by 180 by pi. Okay, we are also given that pi is equal to 22 by 7. Value of pi 22 by 7. The question is 11 by 6 radian equal to 11 by 16. 11 by 16 into 180 by pi is equal to 11 by 16 into 180 by value of pi 22 by 7 is equal to 11 by 16 into 180 into 7 by 22. You simplify this. 11 by 16 into 180 into 7 by 22. Cancelling by 11. 2 times. Here, cancelling by 4. 4. Here 45. So, numerator 315 divided by 8 equal to 315 by 8. Now you divide 315 by 8. 39, remainder 3. 39 3 by 8 degree. Okay, it's equal to 39 degree. Convert the 3 by 8 portion of a degree into minute. 3 by 8 into 60. We know 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Therefore 3 by 8 into 60 equal to 39 degree. This is 180 by 8. 180 by 8 degree. No, minute. 39 degree. You divide 22 4 by 8 minute equal to 39 degree 22 minute 22 4 by 8 minute 22 minute. We are converting 4 by 8 minute into seconds. We know that 1 degree equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute, 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So convert 4 by 8 minute. 4 by 8 into 60 equal to 240. Otherwise cancel. 230. 30. 4 by 8 minute is equal to 30 seconds. Okay. അടുത്ത question ചെയ്യാം. A wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. How many radians does it turn in 1 second? A wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. 1 minute 360 revolutions are. How many radians does it turn in 1 second? 1 second എത്ര radian turn ചെയ്യും? Okay. In 1 minute equal to 360 revolutions. That is, in 1 minute means in 60 seconds. Okay, in 1 minute, that is in 60 seconds, 360 revolutions. Therefore, in 1 second, it's equal to, in 60 seconds, 360. Therefore, in 1 second, 360 by 60 is equal to 6 revolution. In 1 second, ഒരു സെക്കൻഡില് 6 റെവല്യൂഷൻസ് ആണ്. ഒരു റെവല്യൂഷൻ എത്രയാണ്? ചക്രം ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം തിരിയാൻ 360 ഡിഗ്രിയാണ്. To make one revolution, 360 degree. So 6 revolutions. 6 revolutions is equal to 6 into 360 is equal to 2160 degree. 2160 degree in 1 second. Now we are changing this degree into radian measure. How many radians does it turn? Radians are the number. Now we got in degree measure, we are changing into radian. 2160 into, to convert degree into radian, pi by 180 multiply. Pi by 180 is equal to, cancel this. 2160 into pi by 180, 0, 0 cancelling. Cancel by 2. 9 2s are 80. 108. Cancelling by 9. 1 into 9. 12 9s are 108. So we got answer 12 pi radians. Okay. Next question. Find the degree measure of angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. Here is the picture. Find the degree measure of angle. We have to find out this angle, degree measure, at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter. We know the radius 100 centimeter. By an arc of length, this is the arc length 22 centimeter. ഈ 22 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ ലെങ്ത് ഉള്ള ആർക്ക് സർക്കിളിന്റെ സെന്ററിൽ സബ്റ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ആംഗിൾ ആണ് നമുക്ക് ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. വി ഹാവ് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ദിസ് ആംഗിൾ. ദ ഫോർമുല ഈസ് തീറ്റ ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു L by R. Theta is the angle, L is the length of arc, and r is the radius. This is the formula to find out angle subtended at the center. Okay, is equal to length of arc at 22 by radius 100. This is radian measure. In this formula, we got theta 22 by 100, but the unit is radian measure. We have to find out the degree measure of angle. So we should convert radian into degree. How we convert radian to degree? 180 multiplied by 180 by pi is equal to 22 by 100 into 180 by pi. 22 by 100 into 180 by pi. Value of pi 22 by 7 is equal to 22 by 100 into 180 into 7 by 22. Okay, 22 gets cancelled. Here 0 gets cancelled. 5 into 2, 9 into 2. That makes 9 to 7, 63 divided by 5 degree. Okay, convert this into mixed fraction. 12 5s are 60. Balance 3 is the remainder and 5. 12 3 by 5 degree. Now we should convert the fraction degree into minute. So 12 degree 3 by 5 degree. 3 by 5 degree to convert into minute into 60 is equal to, this gets cancelled, 12, 3 into 12, 36. 36 minute. So 3 by 5 degree, we converted to second and minutes, we got 36. So angle is 12 degree, 36 minute. Okay. Another question here. The question is, in two circles, arcs of the same length. Two circles, arcs of the same length. We know that length of these arcs are equal. Arcs of the same length, subtends angles 60 degree and 75 degree at the center. We have to find out ratio of their radii. രണ്ട് സർക്കിളിന്റെയും റേഡിയസുകളുടെ ratio കാണണം. Ratio of radian. Okay. So the formula is as the previous problem. Theta is equal to L by R. From this we can write L is equal to R theta. Okay. L is equal to R theta. Now here there are two circles. So in the first circle, L1 is equal to R1 theta 1. Okay, first circle. L1 is equal to R1. We don't know the radius of the circle. So R1 into theta 1, 60 degree. Is equal to 60 R1. Second circle, L2 is equal to R2 theta 2 is equal to R2 into 75 is equal to 75 R2. So we got L1 equal to 60 R1, L2 is equal to 75 R2. In this, angle is in degree measure. Okay, we have to convert it to radian. It's equal to 60 R1 into, to convert degree into radian, pi by 180. Here also 75 R2 into pi by 180. So we got L1 and L2. We know that arcs of the same length. So L1 is equal to L2. L1 is equal to L2. Substitute this value. 60 R1 into pi by 180 is equal to 75 R2 into pi by 180. L1 is equal to L2. Because L1 is equal to L2, we substitute the value. We get 60 R1 into pi by 180 is equal to 75 R2 into pi by 180. Cancelling. Pi by 180 gets cancelled. Here 60 R1 is equal to 75 R2. From this we can write R1 divided by R2 is equal to 75 divided by 60 is equal to, we can cancel by 15. 5 into 15 75, 4 into 15 60. R1 by R2 is equal to 5 by 4. Therefore, R1 is to R2 is equal to 5 is to 4. We got ratio of radii 5 is to 4. We want to find out ratio of the radii. We got it 5 is to 4. Okay? അപ്പോൾ ഈ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ തൽക്കാലം ഞാൻ ഇത്രയാണ് പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്. ഇതിന്റെ ബാലൻസ് പാർട്ട് 2 ആയിട്ട് അടുത്ത വീഡിയോയിൽ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞുതരാം, പഠിപ്പിച്ചു തരാം. ഇതെല്ലാവരും കാണുക. ഇഷ്ടമായിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളൊക്കെ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുക. ഓക്കെ, നമുക്ക് വീണ്ടും കാണാം. താങ്ക് യു വെരി മച്ച്.